5 delicious teas to clean arteries and lower cholesterol. Discover the secret to a healthier heart. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier heart? Imagine sipping on delicious teas that delight your taste buds and work wonders for your cardiovascular health. In this video, we unveil the top 5 teas that can clean your arteries, lower cholesterol, and reduce high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer that can lead to devastating heart attacks and strokes. But what if you could combat it with a simple cup of tea? These incredible teas, rich in flavonoids and bioactive compounds, are your new allies in the fight against heart disease. Studies show that regular tea drinkers enjoy improved blood vessel function and significantly lower risks of arterial stiffness. Stay with us till the end for a special surprise. An easy-to-make tea with ingredients you likely already have at home. This hidden gem is both beneficial and simple to prepare. Join us and discover how these 5 teas can transform your heart health. Let's begin. Number 1. Ginger tea. Ginger has been cherished for centuries as a powerful natural medicine, and its potential to lower blood pressure is just one of its many remarkable properties. Ginger tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds called gingerols. These gingerols are not only potent anti-inflammatory agents, but also help lower blood sugar and have even been linked to anti-cancer properties. One of the key benefits of gingerols is their ability to relax blood vessels, promoting smooth blood flow and helping to regulate blood pressure levels effectively. Making ginger tea is simple and quick. Start by slicing fresh ginger root. The fresher the ginger, the more potent its health benefits. Steep the ginger slices in hot water for several minutes, allowing the water to draw out the beneficial compounds. For an added twist of flavor and health benefits, you can add a bit of honey or lemon. Honey adds a natural sweetness, while lemon boosts the tea's antioxidant content and provides a refreshing zing. The beauty of ginger tea lies not only in its health benefits, but also in its versatility. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a perfect beverage for any season. On a cold winter day, a warm cup of ginger tea can be soothing and comforting. In the summer, a chilled ginger tea can be refreshing and invigorating. Number 2. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, crafted from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant, is a caffeine-free herbal tea renowned for its relaxing and calming effects. It's a popular choice for those seeking to unwind before bedtime, promoting relaxation and better sleep. But did you know that chamomile tea might also help lower your blood pressure? The secret lies in apigenin, a powerful flavonoid found in chamomile. Apigenin boasts both antioxidant and calming properties, which can reduce stress and anxiety, key factors in managing blood pressure. In fact, a study revealed that drinking chamomile tea regularly for 12 weeks led to a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure among individuals with hypertension. Making chamomile tea is simple. Boil a cup of water and pour it over 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or 1 to 2 chamomile tea bags in a teapot or mug. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then remove the flowers or tea bags. Now, you have a soothing, heart-healthy beverage ready to enjoy. Incorporate chamomile tea into your daily routine to harness its relaxing effects and potential health benefits. This calming cup of tea might just be the natural remedy you need to support your heart health and overall well-being. Number 3. Rooibos Tea. Let's dive into the world of Rooibos Tea and discover why it's a superstar for your heart health. Originating from the beautiful landscapes of South Africa, Rooibos Tea is celebrated for its remarkable health benefits, particularly for the cardiovascular system. Imagine yourself enjoying a cup of Rooibos tea, enveloped in its warm, earthy aroma. But beyond its delightful taste, Rooibos tea is packed with powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting your heart. These antioxidants act as guardians, defending your heart against the threats of oxidative stress and inflammation, key culprits in heart disease. Oxidative stress can be likened to harmful pollution in your body, caused by free radicals that damage cells and disrupt cardiovascular function. Rooibos tea, rich in antioxidants, neutralizes these free radicals, creating a cleaner and healthier internal environment. Inflammation is another major adversary, akin to a mini volcano inside your arteries, obstructing blood flow and causing damage. Rooibos Tea's anti-inflammatory properties work to calm this inflammation, ensuring smoother circulation and promoting overall heart health. Rooibos Tea's benefits don't stop there. Its naturally sweet and nutty flavor makes every sip a pleasure, turning a healthy habit into a delightful experience. Regular consumption of Rooibos Tea can help reduce blood pressure, lower bad cholesterol levels, and support better blood vessel function, making it a powerful ally in maintaining cardiovascular health. Incorporating Rooibos Tea into your daily routine is an effortless way to boost your heart health. Its potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties provide a robust defense against heart disease, making it a simple yet effective addition to your wellness regimen. Enjoy the soothing taste of Rooibos Tea while reaping its incredible heart protective benefits. Number 4. Clove Tea. This aromatic tea is rapidly gaining popularity for its powerful health-boosting properties, and it's easy to see why. Packed with eugenol, a potent antioxidant, Clove Tea is your new secret weapon against oxidative stress, cell damage, and chronic diseases. Clove Tea is rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, protecting your body from the damage that can lead to heart disease, cancer, and other serious illnesses. By incorporating Clove Tea into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing these chronic conditions. But that's not all. Clove Tea also has natural metabolism-boosting properties, making it a fantastic aid for weight loss and overall wellness. One of the standout benefits of Clove Tea is its anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it an excellent choice for managing arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Additionally, Clove Tea supports respiratory health by clearing congestion and providing relief from coughs and colds. It's a true all-rounder when it comes to promoting health and well-being. Preparing Clove Tea is simple and straightforward. Start by grinding 1 tablespoon of whole cloves and adding them to a pan with a cup of water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes. After allowing it to cool, strain the tea and it's ready to serve. For an extra touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. Drinking this tea early in the morning can maximize its benefits and set a positive tone for your day. Clove Tea has a rich history in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, where it has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Beyond its antioxidant benefits, Clove Tea is also known for its antimicrobial properties, which can help maintain oral health and fight infections. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of Clove Tea, knowing you're not only enjoying a delicious beverage, but also taking a proactive step towards better health. Experience the difference for yourself and join the growing number of people who are reaping the rewards of this incredible tea. And now, as promised, let's unveil the surprising star of our heart-healthy teas. Number 5. Onion Tea. Onion tea isn't something you hear about every day, but this hidden gem is one of the best teas you can drink for your heart. The benefits of onion for heart health are backed by scientific evidence, making it more than just a folk remedy. Onions are a potent source of quercetin, a flavonoid that promotes the production of HDL, good cholesterol, and reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, in the body. This compound helps you control your cholesterol levels effectively. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that quercetin supplements can significantly lower blood pressure in hypertensive patients. Additionally, quercetin's antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. The sulfur compounds present in onions work to thin the blood, preventing the formation of blood clots. This anticoagulant effect reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Flavonoids in onions also help minimize high blood pressure, a major cause of cardiovascular issues. To harness these benefits, you need a perfect onion tea recipe to keep your heart in top shape. Here's what you'll need. 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 to 2 cups of water, lemon juice optional, 1 bay leaf optional. Here's how to prepare it. 1. Boil 1.5 cups of water. 2. Add the chopped onion, crushed garlic cloves, and bay leaf to the boiling water. 3. Continue boiling until the water changes color. 4. Strain the mixture into a cup. 5. Add honey or a dash of lemon juice to enhance the taste. 6. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach for the best results. You can also enjoy another cup in the evening. The inclusion of garlic further boosts the health benefits of this tea. Garlic is known for its ability to improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which enhance overall cardiovascular health. By incorporating onion tea into your daily routine, you're not just trying out a new beverage, you're making a powerful choice for your heart health. This simple yet potent tea can help you manage cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of serious heart conditions. So why wait? Start your journey to a healthier heart with this remarkable onion tea today. Remember, before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have an underlying health condition or are on medication, consult your healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay healthy and informed. See you in the next video.